Next, we can study about a list of some metals and their common ores with their chemical formula. First example, metal aluminum ore, 3 ores, aluminum having 3 ores, bauxite, diaspore, colinite. Then iron ores, hematite, magnetite, siderite, iron pyrite, limonite. Then copper, aluminum, iron, these three. Then zinc, lead, tin, silver. This is the metals. So and their ores also list out your textbook. You download the textbooks, then you can see the page by page, you can understand. Then copper ores, copper pyrite, copper glans, cuprite, malachite, azurite. This is the example of copper ores. Then zinc ores, zinc blende, calamine, zincite. Then lead ores, galena, anglesite, cerussite, cassiteritite. Cassiteritite is the example of tin ores. Then silver ores, silver glans, ruby silver, corn silver, and staphylinite procite. This is the silver ores. Then we can study about the concentration of ores. So already you see the list. This is the combined state of ores, combined state of metals we can get from the earth crust. So all those combined silicate, combined metals combined with silicate, oxygen, water, hydroxides, sulfur, etc., etc. These are all combined state. Then concentration of ores. Concentration means how much amount contains. In this any one compound, we can find out the earth crust, how much amount present in it. Already you know that concentration means. Concentration means more amount. Ores are associated with non-metallic impurities. Ores are associated with non-metallic impurities. Non-metallic impurities means oxides, silicates, sulfates, that and all combined with metals. That is called as non-metallic impurities. So rock minerals and siliceous matter, which are collectively known as gangue. So more number of other non-metallic impurities combined with the metals, that is called as, we called as gangue or matrix. The preliminary step in metallurgical process is removal of these impurities. So these impurities, preliminary state means first we can remove the impurities. What is the step we are going to remove the impurities, these type of impurities? This removal process is known as the concentration of ore. Concentration of ore. It increases the concentration of the metals of interest or its compound in the ore. So several methods are available for this process. So and the choice of metals will depend on the nature of the ore, type of impurity, and environmental factors. So how we can purify, we can remove the impurities. So some of the common methods are ore concentration are discussed below. We can get from the concentration of ores various steps. First step is gravity separation or hydraulic wash. First we can get from the under the earth crust. First of all, we can pour the water, we can wash the impurities. That is called as hydraulic wash or gravity separation. In this method, ores having high specific gravity is separated from the gangue that has low specific gravity by simple washing with running water. Ore is crushed to finely powdered form and treated with the rapidly following current of water. During this process, the lighter gangue particles are washed away by the running of water. So we know that we can pour the water on the metals, lighter impurities removed. Then continuously we can apply the hot water, hot air to remove the dust particles, that means lighter impurities. Gang particles are washed away by the running water. This method is generally applied to concentrate the native ore such as gold and oxide ores such as hematite, tin, stone. These and all separated from gravity and hydraulic wash.